What's up everybody, welcome back to another video, and it has been a while since I've actually done one of these unboxing videos, but today, as you guys have seen on the title, yes, we are gonna be unboxing the new Oculus Quest 2, and I'm really excited for this because I tried to get it as soon as I can, but obviously it's out of stock, but it finally arrived. I don't know if you guys can see the little smile, but it has arrived. But yeah, here we go. Let's open this thing up. Let me go grab scissors. We are so prepared. So prepared.
A few moments later. Eventually.
Alright, we have gotten our scissors and let's just open this thing up. I actually just got out of work and I saw my package and I was like, no way. It actually arrived. I can't wait. Let's open this thing up. Oh god. I'm gonna cut myself while opening this. Open this thing up. Alright, I actually got the 64 gigabyte one with the case, and it is that? No? Okay. Open this thing up. Alright, we got a bunch of paper for protection, I guess. And oh my god, I'm so excited. Here we go. Hey. I got the case for it too, and this is huge. What the heck? It's massive. Oh my god. And here we go. Oh my god. I can't wait. Let's go. This is so awesome. Okay, let's throw away this huge box out of the way. And let's actually get this thing on focus. Alright, let's see if that actually fits the whole thing. Here's our case, There we go. It's massive. Look at my head. It's tiny. It's so tiny compared to this thing. Alright. Seems like the Quest is smaller though. But anyways, let's open this thing up. Alright, let's open this thing up. Let's start off with the case here. I actually was gonna just get the Oculus without the case because I was like, why? Why do you need a case? But I just wanted something easy to put my my Oculus, and yeah, this is, even though it's really expensive, buying it separately because it's I want to say $70 for Canadian, because I don't know, everything here is overpriced. We love that. We love that for the economy. Okay. This reminds me of one of those I want to say those Kinder Egg surprise. I don't know. But yeah, there's the case. I don't even know if you can see it fully, but ta-da! There you go. It is huge. Oh god, as I keep saying over and over again, but here we go. Oh, okay, we're doing great, guys. Okay, wow, I can legit just fit my whole lunch in here. This is my new lunch kit, actually. It's not for the Quest, it's just for my lunch. So that's the case. Let's open this thing up. Guys, I lost my scissors. This is what we're all been waiting for, is to open this thing up. Let me go find my scissors. It's disappeared, guys. Okay, we're back. Found our scissors, and everything's on focus, hopefully. Ooh, it has a little easy to open thing. JK. Is this how you open it? Oh my god, it is. Let's go. Okay. That is quite satisfying. Wow. Oh god. I am doing a great job unboxing this thing up. get that trash out of here. And let's open this thing out. Where's the little flat thing that you guys, we're having some technical difficulties here. Oh, here we go. Okay, let me just push thing out apparently. This is quite heavy. Let me just put you aside. There's the Oculus box. Now let's open this up. Oh, here we go. Oh my god. I can't. It's too good. Too good to be true. Okay, obviously we got the controllers, which you guys probably are quite aware of. Let's see, is it in focus? Yeah, there we go. It is very nice. Everybody keeps saying that like the battery is much more like intact compared to the old Oculus. So I don't know. Okay, got that going. Can't put it back onto the box, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. We got a box in here. Let's see what it has to offer. If we can open it. What is this? Some instructions. Okay, cool. And we got the charger for the Oculus. Let's see. I don't know if they like give out stickers, like you know how Apple does it, but I don't think so. Kinda, maybe. But anyways, we also got this. If I can get it out, actually. You know what? Let's just actually grab the headset. So this is the headset. It has like these 4 tiny cameras that can detect your like hand gestures, so you don't actually need the controller. That is amazing. Here we go. This is awesome. Oh wait, you can see that. Let's remove the paper actually. There we go. It's much better. There we go. There are the 2 like lenses, and that's the headset. And then this little guy is what you would need to put if you guys have like glasses. So yeah. So it's much easier for you guys to like put it on. Oh, here we go. It's not even in frame, but ta-da! You know, that is that. But anyways, that is it for today's unboxing. Hope you guys like it, and I might give you guys some update in the next couple of weeks. Let me just like, I don't know, test it out, see how it feels, you know. And I'm planning to get one of those like lenses that you can actually like put inside of these things, so you don't have to wear your glasses. It has like a prescription already on it. So yeah, that would be amazing. And yeah, that will be it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to try this all out, and so excited. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Bye. See ya.